Google has released Best Text-to-Speech Model, and in this video, I will show you how to use it. Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS is Google's latest text-to-speech model that turns written text into natural, expressive spoken audio with easy control. You simply add short tags like shouting, whispering, happy, slow pace, or even scene directions to guide the voice's emotion, speed, accent, and style. It supports over 70 languages, works for single or multi-speaker dialogues, sounds more human-like than before, and is available to try for free in Google AI Studio, plus via API and Vertex AI. All generated audio includes a Synth ID watermark for safety. It's perfect for building voice apps, games, or stories quickly. Now let's see how to actually use it. First, head over to the Google AI Studio website. Once you open the dashboard, go to the Speech and Music section. This is where Google has placed its latest voice and audio generation models. Inside that section, you'll find 3 available models: Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS Preview, Lyria 3 Pro Preview, Lyria 3 Clip Preview. Since the Lyria models are paid, today we'll focus on the free option, Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS Preview. As soon as you open it, you'll notice several quick start templates. These are pre-made examples designed to help you understand how prompting works with the model. They make it much easier for beginners to start creating realistic speech without needing advanced prompt skills. Let's explore one of the most interesting templates called the Guarded NPC. This template lets you create a full scene with personality-driven dialogue. You can describe the environment, give story context, and decide how the characters should behave. Next comes the speaker section. This is where things get powerful. You can add multiple speakers, as many as you want. Each speaker can have their own unique voice, personality, and emotional behavior. That means instead of one plain robotic voice, you can create full conversations between characters. Each speaker can also perform emotions written inside brackets. For example, Patan extract. And if the default options aren't enough, you can type your own custom emotion. For example, I'll type. That means the speaker will talk with a curious tone. This adds realism that most old text-to-speech tools never had. Once everything is ready, just hit Run. The moment you click Run, the model begins generating speech instantly. Let's hear it.
Halt, traveller! The northern pass is sealed by order of the council. Curious? I carry a message for the elder. Step aside or I will force my way through. No one passes. Pensive. The elder is... He's no longer receiving visitors. What do you mean? We don't have time for games. It's too late. Whispers. The shadow. It reached him first. You need to leave. Now.
Another powerful feature is code export. You can instantly get ready-to-use code in Python, TypeScript, REST API, .NET. So once you create something inside the dashboard, you can directly integrate it into your own app or software using an API key. That means builders and developers can use this for real products, not just experiments. Inside the voice panel, you can filter available voices and choose the one you like most. Then you can fine-tune details like style, pace, accent. They've also added speech-to-text support. So if you simply want to dictate dialogue using your microphone, you can do that too. Overall, this is not just another text-to-speech tool. This feels like the future of voice creation, where characters have emotions, personalities, accents, and cinematic delivery. I'm excited to see what people build using this new free model. Games, videos, stories, AI agents, apps, the possibilities are massive. Thanks for watching.